It's Tuesday, 25th of August 2015. Just checking to see if we're getting any orbs in the room, and we are. Okay, can you show more? Good. Hold on. Little wee white lights flashing about. Okay, put it in the corner there, that was a big blue one. Yeah. Okay. Come on, we've got somebody else in the room tonight. You've got to watch because the camera shines on the telly there, see. So you've got to keep it in this corner. Well, that was a good one. Right. Okay, can you show us some more? Can you show yourself to us, Frank? Oh, loads of them. Loads of them. Right, I'm going to pass this out to John and just keep it videoing. Right, now your fingers over the camera there. You getting anything?
Yeah, I can see them, yeah. Loads of them.
Show them the orbs.
Oof.
Show them some colour rounds.
There's loads coming this way.
Aye, that's where they were, in that corner.
A big flash there.
Come on, Frank, is that you? You try to show yourself to us?
There's loads here.
Yeah.
Loads of them.
Loads of them. Are they big?
Aye, huge.
Well done. You in the room?
They're coming towards us.
You in the room with us, Frank? My God. I've usually got the trumpet sitting out there. Yeah. Show us a colour, Jen. Show us a colour, Rob. Usually quite good at showing us blues and pinks.
There's lots of them coming this way.
Aye, okay.
Big blobs.
Big ones. Move it around a wee bit.
There's loads of them.
Are they wee or are they big?
They're a mixture really. It's a wee sharp, really
Wee
focused.
lights. Tiny
But there's
wee
lots,
lights.
lots of coming towards me.
Alright, we see you. You want to show me some colour, Jens? Can you do that? I can see that. Go on then, show me some colour, Jens. I want to see. Oh, that was quite good. Show us a big one. Give us a big orb. Come on, I know you can do that. Show us some big ones. Show us your face. That would be even better. Show us your face. You know? Come on. Move a wee bit to the right a wee bit. If we scan it up the ceiling and yeah, so that. Yeah. Keep going. It's quite dark though, isn't it? Is it just where I am it's looking?
It's quite dark, I think.
There we are. Any up the ceiling there? Have a wee look. No.
Maybe there.
You had enough? You got to show us a big orb before you go? Before we shut it off? Show us you're there. Hello? You there? Alright. You gone? We're gone now.
Yeah, you're losing them all now.
Mm-hmm. Stop show.